This is number 2. So I'm just going to put, that's number 2. This is the first one to be opened. Now, number 4. That's 8, 2. This is number 4 and 5. 4, 5, this is 6. This is 7. That's 11. This is 8. These are not for me. But I have 2 8. I don't know what she counted. This is number 3. 2 8. Alright, so those are not for me. This one should open last. 9. So 9. 9, 12, 11, 12, and last. Oh, where is number 10? No 10, no 10, no 10. No 10. So I guess she mixed up this with this. 8, 9, that's that, 12, 11. Oh well. I'll just open what I have. So number 1. Nessa's World. Hurry your cookies. I need some milk for this. I am so glad that today is the last day of fasting. Because tomorrow, some milk and Oreo. Thank you, Crystal. Number 2. Number 2. Body mist. I think she's trying to say she smells me, she smells me. That's my bad. It smells so good. It smells good. It smells good. It smells good. That's pretty too much. Number 3. I'm so excited. I feel like it's Christmas. Can you believe like all of these presents? Like this is fun and I can't wait to return the favor. I already have my box, but the box is empty. But this, I'm so excited. Like I didn't get one present Christmas, not one. But look at it. February, you know, the month of love. I'm receiving so much gifts. Oh my god, thank you, my sister. This is number 3. I'm gonna put number 3. Oh, I love this. This is a reed diffuser. It's a reed diffuser. So basically, this, you put those sticks in here, and it release the fragrance in the house. I can't believe custom actually pulled this stuff. But this is number 4. Oh, did she know? Like, How does she know? How did she know? I wanted one of these like forever because my mom sent one in the barrel and it was so nice. Like I love it so much. And oh my god. Like I literally wanted one of these. I went on Amazon to try and find it and it wasn't on it, but thank you so much. Right, so number 5. And I guess it's full. I don't know what customer is trying to find, but they pulled it. So it's a onion cinema light box. So basically I don't know what's on it. It says a your own message. So I guess you put message in there, create your own personal message. You put your own message in there and then it will light up and give you a nice, feel for the house. So this is nice. I really love it. It can probably go with my backdrop. Put it somewhere right here. Yeah. And it lights up too. And it looks like you can put, I don't know, emojis and all those stuff. Like, that's nice. Number 6. So I know it's definitely not chocolate, but let's see what's in there. So we have sponge bar. Yay, 2 sponge bar. I actually want one of these because I'm tired of the rag and scrub myself. Thank you. Alright, so number 7. So it's another box, one of those boxes. Let's hope there's chocolate in there. Well, I do know it's not the chocolate that comes in the box, because I see Snickers and Kit Kat, which are my favorites. It's not my favorite chocolate. Kit Kat Dark. So it's Easter. Oh, so it's all Kit Kat and Easter eggs. And all Kit Kats. And they're almost soft. So yeah. Number 8. Everybody know that this is either a liquid body wash. This is either a body wash or a lotion, just by the shape of it. So I was wrong. This is actually the facial wash. I never tried this before, but it is the same brand. So I can't wait to use this with this and see how this beauty turns out. So I am actually anxious to use this. So this one is admire my wrapping skills. Because if you look at the box, look at that. I don't know what she's trying to do. Yeah, number 8. I thought it was perfume, but it's not. It's actually a mix of this, the diffuser, the reed diffusers. So my house will be smelling nice, so you guys can come over. So happy birthday. I don't know if I'm supposed to open this on my birthday, or this is a belated gift, but guess what? I am opening it anyway because I'm so anxious to know what's in there. So I'm gonna open it. You know, when you see this, right? When you look, open it and see this, you already know what's up. You already know what's up. This is the third box, right? And if the chocolate that actually comes with it is not in there, I'm gonna change my name. I'm gonna change my name. So it looks blue. I don't know if that's the wrapper, but I think I have to change my name. Let's see. So I don't have to change my name after all. It actually flows off the right chocolate. Thank you. Thank you very much. So Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. To my big-head sis, can you see that? My big-head sis, I look at my hair, it's small. She's rude. No wonder why she said Merry Christmas. To have reindeer and Christmas tree on the box. This is a lovely box though. Okay. It's a set of cologne and lotion and body wash. So let's see what's in there. Yep. Body wash, body lotion. So this is a travel cologne. This is a hand cream. Now this is the actual big cologne. And that's it. I feel like I actually get a vibe. Like this make my whole entire year. Like if you guys don't buy me anything for my birthday, I don't care. Look how much gift I got. Number 12. Customs. Now this is another body mist. I am gonna smell nice this year, 2020, the year of fragrance. And is that it? So I must open this one last. I must open it last. So let's see what's in this baby. It's a GoPro! Yay! It's a Euro 7 GoPro white. I wanna cry. I actually wanted one of this because I think it's safer to go around with this than with my phone or my camera here in Jamaica. So I was planning to buy this when I go up, but I don't need to buy it anymore. Do you know that I am about to vlog vlog. I'm about to go vlogging. Like, I'm so happy. I can't wait to use it. I have to do a review on this, you know, so you guys stay tuned for this. And yeah, this is my best gift ever. So guys, as you see, I got a lot of goodies from my sister, and now I don't know if I can even make up for all of this. And I don't even I don't even know how I'm going to do the box now, because this blew my mind away. And like from Jamaica, like mostly, like if you're setting up stuff to England, it's mostly food stuff. But I don't know. But guys, stay tuned for that. And if you want to watch her as she packed this, or how did she, like, if you want to know how she expected me to pull the video, the box, you know, go and watch her channel, because she uploaded it. Alright, so I have 2 shout outs as always. So the first one is Mama Chrissy, you know, Mama Chrissy, yeah, she said I had it, so you know, so me have to shout her out, you know, so go on over and go subscribe to her page and, you know, watch her open my box so you can know what I put it in there, and then you compare and tell us, you know, which one or who you think did it better. I'm gonna try to outbeat her, but it's rough, you know, it's very rough, but I'm gonna try. So big up yourself, Mama K, you know. And the next shout out is JK Don. Go on over and go and give him a support. So as always, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy this video and stay tuned for more. See you guys. Bye.